SK Telecom has filed a lawsuit challenging a 91 million fine imposed by South Korea's Personal Information Protection Commission for a major data breach. The company took the case to the Seoul Administrative Court on January 19, 2026, the final day of the 90-day appeal window, contesting the record $134.8 billion won penalty issued in August 2025. Reports indicate the April 2025 US IM hack exposed sensitive data from 23 million subscribers, including phone numbers, IMSI numbers, and SIM authentication keys. SK Telecom says it responded swiftly by replacing all SIM cards, offering bill reductions, 50 gigabytes of free data, and investing $8 million in compensation and security upgrades, arguing no real financial harm occurred to users. According to the company, this massive response makes the fine disproportionate. Legal experts suggest the court's ruling could set a precedent for privacy enforcement in Asia-Pacific telecoms, determining if extensive remedies can offset large penalties. Watch for early developments as proceedings unfold in Seoul.
vp.net, the only VPN that you don't have to trust, because it can't spy on you.